Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by isolating the core topic and 3-5 subtopics that matter. This forces focus. Once done, pick a single page layout, 1 column for narrative, 2 columns for contrast, and commit. Make sure to limit hierarchy. Use only main headers and 1 sublevel so you avoid clutter. Use a symbol set to mark types of info. This first action gets you into the right frame and prevents endless expansion before you actually write anything. You now convert longer text into 3-6-word phrases that capture meaning. This is the heart of condensing. Once done, replace repeated words with a small set of abbreviations and formulaic snippets like W/, 1/2, or %. Make sure to group related facts under one header and order steps with simple numbers 1, 2, 3, so your eye can follow. Use margin cues and short arrows to link cause and effect. That maintains logic while keeping the page compact and readable. You finish by refining visual priority. Highlight headers with one color and keywords with another so scanning works. Once done, tighten spacing and keep fonts readable. Avoid italics because they slow skimming. Make sure every word earns its place and trim lines that repeat ideas. If the page overflows, prune aggressively to only the top 3 items per subtopic. That single move rescues the layout. Troubleshooting tip: if you feel stuck, remove 30% of content immediately and reassess what truly matters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.